welcome back to another episode of Haha Bakes. I hope everyone's doing well, and I hope you enjoyed our dessert yesterday. For today's episode, we're going to be creating a recipe that was kind of handed down to me by my mom. We don't necessarily have a name for it, so we'll just call it Mama Ha's Tasty Pork. Let's see what we're working with. So for this recipe, we actually only need a couple ingredients, very simple. So we're going to be needing some pork chops, some fish sauce, and some brown sugar. What Mom typically does is she actually uses pork chops with the bones in. I usually like to eat on the go, have things ready so I can pack it the next day for lunch. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use pork loin, and I'm going to cut it in. You can remove the fat pieces, remove the fat here. Now that you have the pork all chopped up, we're going to go ahead and start the marinade. For the marinade, you're going to use the brown sugar, half a cup. A third cup of fish sauce. Get some tongs and give it a good mix. Once we're done with the marinade, we could go ahead and set aside and let it marinate for about 45 minutes. While we're waiting for the marinated pork, we'll go ahead and get a vegetable going. Mama Ha always says, a meal isn't a meal without some vegetables. I'll be doing garlic sauteed string beans. So I'm going to add 4 cloves of minced garlic. A nice little sizzle. Okay. We're going to heat it a little bit, give it a nice mix. And now I'm going to add the string beans. 2 tablespoons of chicken stock. I'm going to put the cover on and let it simmer at a low. By now, our pork should be marinated and ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the stove to medium. Put in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we'll go ahead and start adding the pieces of the pork in there. Make sure you're not throwing in the pork so it doesn't splash on you. So we'll go ahead and give this a few minutes. Once you see that the sauce is starting to caramelize, we'll go ahead and lower the heat and give it a couple more stirs. Ta-da! There you have it. This is Mama's Tasty Pork. To start the meal off the right way, we gotta get some rice. You can use cauliflower rice, you could use brown rice, or you could use white rice. And we'll start constructing the bowl. Make sure your bowl has a good amount of protein. Okay. And you are good to go. Mama Ha's Tasty Rice Bowl. Give it a try. Egg in here. Get some pork. Some rice. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you make it for lunch or eat it for dinner. See ya!